Hey. So this is Swiffer. We have electronic kitties, or clean up the house kitties. Are you purring? Yes, you are. And she's a 6-month-old, 4-pound stray, and she's been fixed. And she's a gorgeous black kitty. Hi, honey. Yes. Are you ready to take, or you want somebody to take you home? Yeah. Tell them you can pull me around on a towel, and I'll be your Swiffer, huh? I'm sure you'll help them clean the house, won't you? Yeah, you will. Yeah, you will. Housekeeping kitty. Ain't that right? And she's very sweet. Her fur feels really great. She has a really good disposition. Her eyes are clear. She's not too underweight, which is a good thing. And not doing too bad for just waking you up from a nap, huh, honey? Not too shabby. And then trying to get my fingers. Ugh. Hi. My. Oh. So Swiffer is ready for her forever home. Say bye, sweetheart. Mwah. Kisses. Oh.